Hi Dripcess friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to my new subscribers. Welcome. I'm Drip Princess and I upload fashion and lifestyle content. So as you can see by today's video, I'm going to be spilling basically all the tea for the girlies on how to keep up with your maintenance as a girl. I just love being a girl, like especially when it comes around like maintenance time, a time for me to get my hair done, time for me to get my nails done, all of that, like that makes me excitement. I can't even talk. That makes me excited, and that's basically like a treat to myself. I feel like, you know, getting my hair done, getting my nails done. I like to keep up with it a lot. My boyfriend says that I get my hair done at least every 2 weeks. And that's probably true. But I know I do get my hair done a lot. And I do get my nails done a lot too. And I like to switch it up. And I just feel like it would just be such a cute video for me to do. Like a how to keep up with your maintenance as a girl. And I feel like it would be such a cute video for me to do how to keep up your maintenance as a girl, you know. And yeah, before we get this video started, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you follow me on my social medias too. And let's get into this video now. So I wrote some things down in my phone. So basically, to keep up with your maintenance, it's not always about just like getting your hair done, getting your nails done, getting your lashes done. It's also with your face too, like your skincare and your hygiene too. That's a part of maintenance too, because yes, you can get your hair done, yes, you can get your nails done, yes, you can get your lashes done, but baby, the skin needs to be, you know, look refreshed, look bright, look good, and you also need to smell good too. So to keep up with your maintenance, good self-care products. I know I have sensitive skin, so I don't really be doing all of that self-care stuff. I use Dove soap, or I use I don't know, I think it's like African bar soap that I use. I don't think it's African bar soap, I don't know. But I also use like this type of soap for my skin in the morning time and at night too. And then I put like the cocoa butter like formula oil on my face, and that's my skincare routine right there. And yeah, so just have a good hygiene and good self-care products. That's where it starts at from. That's where it starts at before the hair and nails, all of that good stuff. Okay, you gotta smell good and you gotta make sure the skin looking right. Now it comes into keeping your hair done. So what I like to do, I plan everything in this handy dandy calendar book right here. My hair appointment, my nail appointment, or sometimes I just put it in my phone calendar when I'm gonna get my hair done for the next month or for the next week. If I have an event coming up, I definitely make sure I plan. I'm such a heavy planner, so I plan when I'm gonna get my hair done. And yeah, and then I text who's doing my hair, like, hey, do you have this open, do you have this available? I book my appointments ahead. I try not to book it in the same month that I'm getting it done. So say if I'm getting my hair done in January, which I am, I will book it this month because it's like I already know, you know. So I like to be ahead of the game a little. So yeah, so how to keep up with your maintenance is definitely like keeping your hair done. And it doesn't have to always be like going to someone to get it done, or it doesn't have to be a wig or always braids. It could just be something with your natural hair, you know, just making it look clean, making it look nice. I love to get my hair done. Like I literally love to get my hair done. Okay, if it had to come down to hair, nails, and lashes, which one has to be X'd out? Lashes could definitely be X'd out because I don't really do like lashes all the time. And then nails could be X'd out too. But hair, I cannot live without getting my hair done. I cannot live without that, okay? That is a must. I feel like that is what brings everything together in a way, you know. And yeah, I can live without my nails, even though I love to get my nails done because that just adds another spice to me, you know. But yeah, so basically keeping up with your hair appointments, keeping up with getting your hair done, just making sure your hair looks clean, making sure your hair looks nice, making sure everything is good with your hair. The second thing that I have is keep your nails done. I do like to get my nails done. I don't remember if I ever got press-ons, but you know, if you can't get your nails done, press-ons are really good. So yes, I'm over here. I know being a girl is expensive. It is expensive, you know. So if you want to save some money, I am putting in like the budget option, which is press-ons, you know, some cute press-ons, maybe from the dollar store, maybe from Marshall's, I don't know, some really cute French press-ons or just press-ons, and it will look super duper cute. So keeping your nails done, keeping up with that is another way on keeping up with your maintenance. The same thing with like keeping up with making sure your toes are done, even though it is winter time right now or it's getting cold outside. I still like to keep my toes done just because of the simple fact, at the end of the day, I don't get my hair done, I don't get my nails done, I don't get my toes done for no man. Okay, I don't get none of that done for no man. I get it done for myself. So if I wake up and I see my toes looking crusty, dusty, and ugly, we need to get that done. Like, you know what I'm trying to say? So just keeping up with that stuff, I just feel like it just adds another confidence boost in a way, you know what I'm trying to say? You know? Yeah. Now, like I said, I'm not like a big lashes girly, but I do get my lashes done occasionally, and if I don't occasionally, I do some lash clusters too. I just recently learned how to do them. Shout out to my sister Dara. But yeah, so you know, get your lashes done, some clusters if you're not really like a big like lashes girl, or you don't think it makes sense to get your lashes done like that, or pay that amount of money to get your lashes done. Some clusters will be your best friend, literally. But I don't remember. I think I don't know, because sometimes it's like, yeah, I want to get my lashes done, and other times it's just like, I actually like how I look without my lashes, you know. But yeah. And again, the main important thing is to take care of your skin, take care of your body. That's literally the main important thing before, like, you know, hair. Everything plays a part, I feel like, but really you gotta take care of your skin, take care of your face. And yeah. Hello. Yes, I'm about to do my outro right now. Okay. Okay, so I really hope y'all enjoyed this video of me giving y'all some tips, or just telling y'all how to keep up with y'all maintenance as a girl, you know. I really hope y'all enjoyed, and if y'all did, please make sure you leave a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, have your post notifications on, and follow me on my socials so it can be a little more connected. And I'll see y'all in the next video.